Good morning! So ayan guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung aking journey sa driving school. So ayan guys, yesterday I passed my road test. So ayun. So ayun nga guys, as you know na si Scott ay walang maliit na sasakyan kaya nag-decide siya na ipa-enroll ako sa driving school. So, ayun nga guys, kasi para hindi na siya mahirapan na turuan ako kasi nga, yung sasakyan niya ay sobrang laki. So, ayun nga guys, yung kinuha niya pala sa akin ay yung kanilang package na 30 hours class and then mayroong 10 hours na behind the wheels. So, ayun guys, I did the class in Chattanooga. So, ayun, 1 hour yung drive mula dito sa bahay, papunta doon. So, ayun na nga guys. And then, after nung straight 4 days na klase, kasi nga, hinati nila yung 30 hours sa 4 days. So, ayun, hinatid niya lang ako doon sa Chattanooga. And then, after matapos yung aming class, ayun, sunduin niya naman ako. So, ayun yung naging setup namin for last, this last month kasi nga sobrang busy. So, ayun na nga guys. And then, after nung natapos yung aming class, so they really teach us a lot. So, ayun guys, marami ka talagang matutunan dun sa klase na, tinuro nila kasi nga it's 30 hours class. So, ayun. And then, ayun na nga guys, after that, ikaw mag-set ng appointment para sa behind the wheels na schedule para sa'yo kung what's work for you. So, ayun na nga guys, actually, since that time nung driving school ako guys, so yung kanilang scared ay medyo, they are behind for 2 weeks like that. So, ayun nga guys, yung first session ko and that was August 16, 2024. So, yun yung first session ko. So, ayun guys, on my first session, I was, of course, it's normal na, kinakabahan ka, ganun. And then, ayun guys, pumunta kami doon sa office. So, hinatid niya ako. And then, at the same time, naghintay na lang siya doon kasi nga 2 hours lang yung session ko that day. So, yung package na kinuha ko is 10 hours behind the wheels. So, kada session is 2 hours lang. So, my first session that August 16, 2024. So, ayun guys, okay lang naman kasi normal lang naman kabahan. So, medyo excited din ako that day. So, ayun, dinala niya ako. My instructor, sobrang bait ng instructor ko guys. Higa da boy. So, napa-relax ka niya. Ganun. Ganun nga guys, dinala niya ako sa, parking lot ng church on my first session. So, ayun na nga guys. And then, dalawang ikot lang kami. And then, dinala niya ako sa park. At doon na kami ilang ikot kami doon. So, medyo nahirapan pa ako guys since that's my first experience behind the wheels. So, ayun na nga guys, medyo nahirapan ako kasi nga yung road is like super sharp, ganun, kasi nga parang ahas talaga siya guys, yung road. So, ayun na nga guys, and then fast forward guys, dinala niya ako. So, hinayaan niya ako mag-drive papunta sa office. Ayun, that's my first time in traffic. So, ayan, sabi niya, I was doing great kasi nga being first time sa, behind the wheels. Guys, nag-drive ako mula dun sa park pauwi ng office. So, ayun. And then, after that, guys, on my second session, so, ayun na, guys, dito na ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit na-tense talaga ako that day or so ayun, sobrang kinabahan ako. And then my second and third session was really rough and I really have a bad day. So ayun. Yun yung nangyari sa second and third session ko guys. So actually kinausap niya si Scott na baka I really need more, extra lesson based sa, pag-drive ko that day. So, ayun, dinala niya ako sa back road and then he has to help me on the steering wheel all the time. I feel like I'm drifting kasi nga, I hold alam mo na, hindi ka makakonsentrate kasi sobrang tense ako. And at the same time, guys, I have my period that day and so, ayun, I'm thinking like, basta, I really had a rough day on my second and third session. So, ayun. So, ayun guys, after ng third session ko, so nag-decide si Scott na mag-purchase ng another extra session, which is another one session after. So instead na dalawa na lang, so dalawang session na lang, but he purchased another one. So ayun, para magiging 3 session pa. So ayun nga guys, behind that, bago yung fourth session ko, so I really search a lot on YouTube, videos. So nagsa-search talaga ako sa YouTube, guys. And which is really helped me. So ayun guys, I searched how to center online, kung paano ba pag-curve yung I even searched more over like hand over hand method, yung pull and push method. So ayun, I'm so curious. And then after that guys, kasi nagbisita kami sa parents ni Scott. So we visit my in-laws. So it's almost 4 hours drive from there going to Kentucky. So even though nag-video ako from on our travel, and my hands is nakafocus talaga sa kamay ni Scott. So I really pay attention to what he did. And actually on that time, hindi kami dumaan sa Nashville. So dumaan kami sa other route. So ayun guys, and then mostly some back roads and that. So I really observe him, his hands, the way he react and that stuff. So which is really helped me. So ayun nga guys, fast forward guys on my fourth session. So ayun na nga guys, September 4th, yung session ko is 12 to 2 o'clock. So ayun, hinatid ako doon ni Scott, and then sabi ng aking instructor na we're gonna do different today. So ayun, dinala niya ako sa downtown Chattanooga. So I was on that night guys, before my fourth session. So yun, I really pray a lot, and then sabi ko, I really pray a lot and I surrender everything to Him. Sabi ko, God, bigyan mo ako ng, lakas ng loob para magawa ko to. So, I only pray that night na, to be center of my lane, para maging, para magiging, makuha ko yung ituturo niya sa akin on that day. So, ayun. On that day, guys, grabe talaga. I mean, grabe talaga guys. Iba talaga yung pakiramdam. Ayoko kong umiyak. So, ayun nga guys, on my fourth session, I was doing so great. So, ayun, on my fourth session, pati yung instructor ko ay nabigla sa the way ako mag-drive. So, ayun, I was driving really fine. This is my first time in tunnel. So, ayun, first time ko mag-drive sa bridge. And then, I really hit the traffic downtown Chattanooga kasi nga lunchtime. So, ayun guys, I was doing fine. He just instruct me what to do. And then, ayun, I had to, ewan ko, parang napaka-relax ko on that day. So, ayun na nga guys, my fourth session is really doing great. So, ayun, nag-drive kami downtown Chattanooga, and then all the way to Hickson, and then I crossed Chickamauga Dam. And then from there, nag-drive ako papunta sa office. So, ayun, nung nakarating na kami sa office, and then kinausap niya si Scott, sabi niya, he's doing so great today. And then, ayun, sabi niya, he passed his road test easily. So, ayun, it's really a miracle for me kasi nga, on my third and second session, sobrang nahirapan talaga ako guys. So ayun, yun ang nangyari. And then on my fifth session that day guys, I was going there kasi nga September 5th yung fifth session ko eh. So ayun, my session was 10 a.m. to 12. So I was not expected that that session is part of my road test. So what cool thing about that, kasi sobrang relax ko lang guys, parang wala lang kasi I went there, akala ko kasi sa 17 pa. So ayun nga guys, noong session ko noong September 5th, akala ko guys pumunta ako doon, so I thought it just only like normal session. Kasi nga normally sa kanila pag nag-driving school ka, yung last session mo ay magiging part na siya ng road test mo. So if they think na medyo, need mo pa ng practice, so sometimes mag-reschedule pa yan sila, pwede nilang gawin next month or ganun. Kasi pwede pa siya na, pwede ka pang makapag-reschedule until 1 year. So ayun na nga guys. So, yun ang nangyari. So I really, thank God kasi napaka-relax ko during noong fourth session ko, guys. So I was doing really, great in that day. So ayun, parang yun nga yung sabi ng aking instructor na parang naging ibang student or nagiging ibang tao ako on that day, the way ako mag-drive. So I really, ganun pala yun, guys, kapag sobrang relax ka mag-drive. So ayun, naka-focus ka lang, and then ayun, guys, I really enjoy the session kasi nga palakwento din yung aking instructor, at I would say na he's the best instructor. So ayun, guys, mula sa pagiging calm yung boses niya, ang galing niya rin magturo. Even, sometimes you're there to learn. May mga magagawa kang, mistake, but he will always just, yun lang sinasabi niya, you're here to learn, it's okay, ganun. So, yung kasi yung maganda sa driving school, guys, kasi yung sasakyan na gagamitin mo ay sa kanila during, your session behind the wheels. And ang maganda doon kasi meron silang control doon sa passenger seat, kasi doon umupo yung instructor mo. Yun, may control sila, so in case, magkamali ka. So, ganun. So, ayun nga, guys, on September 5th, so I was not expecting that day is part of my road test. So, ganun yung nangyari. So, ang ginawa niya ay, sabi niya, we're gonna drive, from here, kung saan yung road pa uwi sa inyo. So, mula sa Chattanooga, I drove, since 2 hours. Ayun. I don't know, that day, I feel so, parang wala lang sa akin. I was so relaxed, and na-enjoy ko yung habang nagdadrive ako kasi nakipag-kwento siya, ganito, ganyan. And then, he asked me kung meron akong mga questions sa pag-drive, ganun. So, ayun, guys, so ayun yung nangyari, and then I was driving from driving school, which is located in Chattanooga. I'm going to Birchwood, so it's like, I would say, almost 30 to 40 minutes din. And then from there, so I did like Highway 58, so ayun. And then from there, nag-drive ako sa Highway 60 from Birchwood going to Cleveland. So ayun na nga, guys, I really enjoy. So yung sabi niya, you were doing fine, kasi yun na nga, guys, ganun pala yun pag nag-let go ka. Mas maganda mag-drive kapag hindi ka masyadong kabahan, kapag hindi ka kabahan o nakafocus ka lang. And then yun na nga, guys, you need to be careful and pay attention to everything, especially kapag nag-drive ka. So ayun na nga, guys, and then from Birchwood to Cleveland, so ayun, nag-drive ako from there. And then from there, from Cleveland, dun ako nag-emerge pa interstate. So ayun, guys, actually I had a video nung pumunta si Scott sa Cleveland, and then I told him this is where I drove yesterday. And then kasi nga meron siyang estimate, and then exactly dumaan din siya doon kung saan yung location na bigyan niya ng estimate para sa fins. So ayun na nga, guys, I did my interstate for over 40 miles from Cleveland going back to Chattanooga. So yun yung nangyari, guys. And then I was not expected on that day nga, kasi akala ko nga, since nag-purchase si Scott ng another extra session, so nagbayad siya ng another $120, which is he spent like $770 in driving school. So ayun na nga, nagkaroon ako ng magiging, instead na 5 session lang, magiging 6 na. So, yun nga, guys, good thing. I really thank God that day kasi napaka-relax ko, and I just went there to drive and learn. So, ayun, ang hindi ko alam, yung session na pala yun ay part ng aking road test. So, that day, guys, since kada session ay 2 hours, so, ayun, bumalik kami from there. So, I was in interstate for 40 miles from Cleveland going back to to Chattanooga in I-75 towards south. So ayun. So yun yung nangyari, guys. And then nung from there, nung pabalik na kami sa office. So, yun, nagulat ako guys. I don't know what I'm gonna, yung reaction ko. Kasi nga, sabi niya sa akin, okay, we're gonna go back to office and then i-park mo lang yung sasakyan and then, congratulations, you just passed your road test. And oh my gosh, you just like, so, ayun na nga guys. And then, nung malapit na kami sa parking lot ng driving school, so ayun, nag-park lang ako. And then, after that, nandun na si Scott. So, ayun na, nandun si Scott nakapark kasi nga hinintay niya ako doon. So ayun na nga guys, sinabi niya kay Scott, yun yung sinabi niya kay Scott. So, ayun, binigyan ako ng certificate on that day and then ayun na nga guys, nung September 6 and that was pumunta ako ng DMV para sa aking driver license. So, para makuha ko yung aking driver license. And I did it. And, ayan, nakuha ko na yung aking driver license and which is valid for 8 years. So, ayun, I really thank Scott for, helping me, to make it happen. And, of course, I really thank the driving school academy in Chattanooga. So they really helped me a lot and they for me to get the driver license. So and they really teach me a lot too on that class and on in-car session. And thanks to my driving instructor, Sir John. So ayun, he was so calm and ayun nga guys, mas nai-enjoy mo yung session kasi nga napaka-calm talaga ng boses niya. Ang galing niya magturo, ganun. And, I really told him that you're the best instructor. If wasn't for you, I would not make it happen. Thank you for boosting my confidence in driving. And then, so, ayun yung sabi ko sa kanya, guys. And I, reached the goal before this coming 15th, I will be, it's my third anniversary here in United States. So, mag 3 years na ako dito sa US. So, ayun na nga, guys. To those are still practicing or, for you to obtain your driving license to kaya nyo yan guys. Para sa akin, yung driving license dito sa US, especially sa akin, na, it's really big deal for me kasi nakatira kami sa countryside and which is really help me a lot. Ngayong may driving license na ako, so ayun, I can, find job or do things na pwede mong gawing mag-isa kasi nga you don't have to wait or hindi mo na kailangan hintayin yung asawa mo kung kailan mo pumunta ng kumuha ng ganito, kailan mo grocery, ganyan. So it's really big deal para sa akin lalo na sa mga katulad ko na nakatira talaga sa countryside kahit nandito sa US. So at saka pala guys, since my extra session na kinuha si Scott, so ayun, I will just go there on September 17th para mag-drive. So I still get get more time on the road. So I will just do that session too on this coming September 17th. Ayun na guys, so I will just do it. So ayun na nga guys, and that's it for today. I hope that you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell below and see you on my next one guys. Just pray and be confident, kayang-kaya nyo din yan. So that's it guys, bye.